OSOYOO Robot Car V2.1 Kit Lesson 7, Simulator Driving with Bluetooth. In this lesson, we will use mobile to control our robot car and make an imitation driving. Since it's a mock driving, we will use a virtual steering wheel and gear in our app to imitate their counterparts in real car. Step 1, Hardware Installation. Please prepare all parts as above shows. You must complete Lesson 1 before you continue on with this lesson. If you complete Lesson 6, you need to remove the S-pin wire from OSOYOO Model X motor driver module, and change the black wire from D3 to D9. You can remove the other wires from tracking sensor module, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer sensor module and servo motor. Please check whether two jumper caps connect correctly on OSOYOO UART Wi-Fi Shield V1.3. One jumper cap connect D4 to be _TX, and other jumper cap connect D5 to be _RX. Insert the Bluetooth module onto the Bluetooth slot of OSOYOO UART Wi-Fi Shield V1.3. Step 2, Software Installation. In this lesson, you will use Arduino IDE, Zip Utility Tool, OSOYOO Imitation Robot Car app. Download sample code from Lesson 7 and then unzip this file, and you will get a folder called V2 Smart Car Lesson 7. Connect Arduino Uno to PC with USB cable, open Arduino IDE, click File, click Open, and then choose code V2 Smart Car Lesson 7.ino and V2 Smart Car Lesson 7 folder, load the code into Arduino. Choose Arduino/Arduino Uno as board, and choose your own port, and then upload the sketch to your board. Step 3, Final Testing. If you use Android device, please go to Google Play and search OSOYOO Imitation Driving, and download and install the app OSOYOO Imitation Driving Robot. If you use iOS device, please go to Apple App Store and search OSOYOO Imitation Driving, and download and install the app OSOYOO Imitation Driving Robot. Turn on the car, then turn on Bluetooth switch of your phone and scan Bluetooth device. Pair with a device HCO2, click to connect with this device and you need to enter password 1234. Enter into app. Click BT search button, you will see a Bluetooth device list which has been paired with your app. Select HCO2 device to connect the car. Once HCO2 is connected, Bluetooth status will change from disconnected to connected. Setting engine toggle to on, red, the car will start to move. This gear switch can control the car as moving ahead or reverse like real car gear. When you rotate your mobile phone angle, the steering wheel will change angle as per your mobile phone rotation angle. This will make your car change direction. Press F5 which pause the car at that moment, and when your phone move, the car will move again. Put engine toggle to off, the car will stop. Thanks for your watching, and for more information, please visit www.osoyoo.com.